So I want to show you a quick video about drums in staffpad. So let's go back to I've got a 6/8 time here, and I'm going to go to the end of the line and show you some of the drums. So here's the kick. Here's the kick sample. I just deleted it. There's my snare. I like those sounds, they sound pretty good. And let's use the, oh, I did it in the wrong voice. I don't know how to switch voices. And this lasso tool never really works for me. See it? What did it do? Why didn't I grab that? It doesn't make sense. But let's delete all of those and do them again. Let's do a kick. And not that. Do that. And let's do that. Let's hear that. That's not bad. This is the organic drum sounds. The reason I'm doing this video is because I do a lot of rock and pop for church, so I wanted to hear what these guys are going to sound like, and I couldn't find anything, so here's my drum video. Okay, that works, which is impressive for me. So that's not bad. Let's hear a couple of bars of that so you can get a better impression of that. So double tap it, I'm going to copy it, and we're going to paste it. The lasso tool looks really cool in the videos, but it doesn't work for me. So here goes. It's not very natural to have a double snare in that bar. Here's one of the biggest problems. 8th note rests. They didn't. Are we just being really patient because we're excited about notation being touch? Because, oh, maybe it's because I didn't have the right voice selected. There you go, that's why. So I like that. That sounds like a real drum kit. Especially love the ride there. It's great, really good sample. But let's do some toms, and I think this is where it falls flat a little bit. But let's copy this. Let's paste it here. I had to get some grace though because I'm impressed. The fact that they've done this in itself is pretty impressive. Let's go here. Okay, toms didn't really impress. So we have these toms. That's tom 1, tom 2, and floor tom. I'm not really that impressed with those, but they're all okay, I guess. So let's just do another bar of that over here. Let's do snare and tom together, or let's do 3 snares. So let's see that. Or that. With the snare. Alright, maybe not. So let's try that. My dog's calling me there. So let's hear that. That sounds a lot better. That sounds a lot better because you got the snare covering up the bad sample for the toms. So anyway, that's my video on the drum sound staffpad. I hope that's useful for you, and thanks for watching this video.